بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين. What a pleasure to be in SDAIA, an authority that have and will shape the future of Saudi Arabia and the future particularly with our youth. So congratulations for what you have done, what you will be doing, and rest assured that ICESCO will be very much happy to work with you collaboratively to benefit the Islamic world. Saudi Arabia is taking the lead when it comes to artificial intelligence, and the Islamic world is in desperate need to taking your experience, your knowledge, and helping the future youth of the Islamic world. Your Excellency, Dr. Abdullah Al-Ghamdi, President of SDAIA, distinguished experts, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is with utmost honor and reverence that we convene today at the GAIN Assembly 2024, graciously hosted by the Saudi Data and Artificial Intelligence Authority, and in partnership with the UN AI Advisory Body and the ICESCO. As a prelude to the eagerly anticipated Global AI Now, Next, Never GAIN Summit, and under the thematic mantle aligned visions shaping global AI governance through diverse perspective and collaborative action, this assembly serves as a testament to our dedication to fostering dialogue surrounding imperative facets of inclusive and ethical global AI governance. As we navigate the landscape of the future, one thing is abundantly clear: the adoption of artificial intelligence will continue to soar in the years to come. So let us take a moment to contemplate the staggering implication of this reality. By the year 2030, AI is projected to inject a monumental 15.7 trillion into the world's GDP, propelling it forward for an impressive 14%. Moreover, as we approach 2025, forecasts indicate that AI will inevitably disrupt the job market, eliminating approximately 85 million jobs. However, in its wake, AI will also create an estimated 97 million new jobs, resulting in a net gain of 12 million jobs. This transformative impact extends beyond mere statistics. It permeates the very fabric of our existence. Indeed, AI has become a force with 77% of devices we currently use incorporating some form from artificial intelligence. Indeed, the potential benefits of AI are vast and promising, but so too are the risks and challenges. As we witness the exponential growth of AI technologies, we are confronted with complex ethical, legal, and societal implications. As such, the need for effective AI governance has never been more pressing. Presently, the global AI governance market is valued at 167,000, with a projection indicating a surge to $2,291,000 by 2032. This equates to an impressive compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 37.7% over the forecast period. As the core of effective AI governance lies the recognition that diverse perspectives are not only invaluable, but are indispensable. While the complexity and cross-border nature of AI system necessitate a global approach, it is imperative to acknowledge that there is no best way to govern AI. Rather than adhering to a singular approach, we must recognize its complexity and employ diverse strategies as seen in various self-regulatory efforts, national and regional laws, and ongoing international discussion. It is crucial to understand that no single entity, institution, or a country possesses the omniscience or omnipotence to address the complexity of AI governance in isolation. Our strength lies in collaborating and coordinating efforts collectively. We aim to unify evolving initiative into a cohesive framework based on universally agreed upon global values. As we gathered here at the GAIN Assembly 2024, it is imperative that we reflect on the increased interest in artificial intelligence within our region, the Islamic world. Yet, as we cast our gaze towards the horizon of progress, soaring reality emerges. By the year 2030, it is anticipated that the Islamic world will only receive 2% of the total global benefits of artificial intelligence, despite projection indicating that this region is poised to become the largest global community by 2070. Very alarming figures. So in the face of this looming disparity, ICESCO, guided by its vision and strategic orientation, remain steadfast in its commitment to strategically steer its member state towards the future, recognizing that strategic foresight is the sole means to anticipate forthcoming development in AI. ICESCO, complementing its Center for Strategic Foresight and AI, seamlessly integrate AI into organization action plan and executive program across our 53 member states. So indeed, ICESCO has embarked upon comprehensive AI strategy, positioning itself as a vanguard of AI development within the Islamic world. Acknowledging that the transformative potential of AI extends beyond mere technical consideration, ICESCO has accorded primarily to strategic governance and ethical dimension associated with AI for collective benefits of our member state. Crowning these concrete efforts, ICESCO has undertaken the task of elaborating the Islamic World Artificial Intelligence Charter, a dynamic and strategic foresight-based tool designed to provide a comprehensive procedural framework governing the ethical use of AI in the Islamic world. We hope that the charter will be finalized before the Riyadh AI Summit. And we promise you that working with you and working with our partners, it might be presented at the Riyadh AI Global Summit, inshallah. So today, we find ourselves on the brink of a new era, Your Excellency. So let us seize this assembly to reaffirm our commitment to a future where artificial intelligence is not merely a force of change, but a tool for empowerment and advancement for generations to come. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.